Welcome back to second video. So in the previous video we discussed the future simple structure. Now I am going to give you some more examples about the tense. For example, she will marry me. She will marry me. Second one, they will blame you. They will blame you. Third, he will carry my bag. Fourth, she will read the poem. She will read the poem. Yes. Just try yourself. Here, she is subject. Will marry verb. Me object. Here they subject. Will blame verb. You object. He subject. Will carry verb. My bag object. She subject. Will read verb. The poem object. So already I have given the structure to you also. So what about the structure? Object becomes as subject. Here I becomes me. Me becomes I will come. I. So I after we have to use shall or will. I after shall only. So I shall. So what we add? Be. I shall be. And marry third form. Marry. Married. Married. So I shall be married by the subject. She becomes her. It is the answer. I shall be married by her is answer. The second one, they will blame you. Who is object here? You. You will be, you will be, and blame third form is blamed. Blamed by the subject. They becomes them. You will be blamed by them. Next, he will carry my bag. The subject is he, will carry verb, my bag object. So who is object there? My bag. My bag. My bag will be carry third form carried by who is subject? He becomes him. So my bag will be carried by him is right answer. Next, she will read the poem. Who is object there? The poem. The poem will be. The poem will be. Read third form is read. Spelling R-E-A-D, read by. Who is subject here? She becomes her. So once again check all answers please. First the question is she will marry me is the question. So the object me becomes I. I after we use shall be and marry third form married by her. It is the answer. Starting capital letter, ending full stop. Next, they will blame you. So in the sentence, who is object? You. So you. And will be. You must add be form. Will be. Blame third form is blamed by. They becomes them. Next, he will carry my bag. The object form is my bag here. My bag will be carry third form carried by the subject. He becomes him. Full stop. Next, she will read the poem. Who is object? The poem will be, read third form, spelling same but the pronunciation is different. The poem will be read by, she becomes her. Write the answers please. Okay, clear? Next. Next is future perfect. So, future continuous have no passive form. So, that's why we discuss the next one is, the eighth one is future perfect. Future perfect tense. Already I have given on that day what about the structure of future perfect tense. That is, shall have or will have V3. It is a structure. Shall have or will have plus V3. It is a structure. So I am going to give you an example. Raju will have selected her. Raju will have selected her. So check the answer please here once again. Raju subject. Where is the verb? According to the given structure, will have selected, totally verb. And her is object. So Raju subject, will have selected verb and her is object. So let us create the beautiful structure. What we have to do? Again, object becomes a subject, it is common. After use, shall have or will have, add been, V3 by, then subject becomes as object. Here, who is object? Her. Her becomes she. She becomes her. Already on the first day, I explained you clearly. I becomes me. Me becomes I. We becomes us. Us becomes we. You becomes you. He becomes him. She becomes her. Her becomes she. It becomes it. They becomes them. Them becomes they, like that. Here, her becomes she will come. She. After we have to use shall have or will have, except I, we. ఇక్కడ సబ్జెక్టు I గాని we గాని ఉంటేనే మనం shall have రాసుకోవాలి. మిగతా అన్నిటికీ మనము will have యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ I కానీ we కానీ ఉన్నదా? లేదు కదా. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ I లేదా we ఉన్నప్పుడే మనము shall have రాసుకోవాలి. అంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ ఒకవేళ మీ ఉందనుకోండి, మీ ఉన్నప్పుడు I అవుతుంది, అప్పుడు shall have రాసుకోవాలి. కానీ ఇక్కడ I కానీ we కానీ లేదు, she ఉంది కాబట్టి ఏం రాస్తాం మనము? will have రాస్తాం. will have. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ been, V3 selected by, who is subject? నేమ్ ఉంటే నేమే రాసుకోవాలి. సో ద ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ she will have been selected by Raju is the answer. Write the structure please. Now I am going to give you some more examples. First, you must observe the given structure very carefully, please. while you are writing the structures, better to use different color pens. Okay.